friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a recipe for the remedy that will help keep your body in good shape. 2 centimeters ginger. Peel and cut up into pieces. Ginger is high in gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger can protect against age-related damage to the brain. It can also help improve brain function in middle-aged women. Ginger to be effective at reducing symptoms of osteoarthritis, especially osteoarthritis of the knee. Ginger has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve various heart disease risk factors in people with type 2 diabetes. Ginger can lead to significant reductions in LDL cholesterol, total cholesterol, and blood triglyceride levels. Ginger may help fight harmful bacteria and viruses, which could reduce your risk for infections. A half beetroot. Peel and cut up into pieces. Beets are loaded with vitamins and minerals yet low in calories and fat. Beets can help reduce risk of heart disease and stroke. Beets contain a high concentration of nitrates, which can help lower your blood pressure levels. Beets may have a number of anti-inflammatory effects. Beet in a blender. Add 1 glass water. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink every morning on an empty stomach. This drink will help you keep your body healthy, and thank you for watching.